Hey y'all, my name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and welcome to another yoga warm-up and tutorial for the Compass Pose Challenge to help improve flexibility, strength, and posture. We're going to start in a seated position with our legs extended in front of us. We're going to inhale, reaching our arms overhead, and exhale as we hinge at our hips, forward fold, and keeping our spine long into seated forward fold. We're going to hold this pose for 1 minute as we continue to deep breathe. We're going to transition into half splits. So first we're going to shift into low lunge. Then we're going to shift our hips back and straighten our front leg, flexing our toes. We're going to keep our hips square and our spines long as we hold this pose for 1 minute on each side. And we're going to switch sides. So we're going to transition back into low lunge to shift into lizard pose. Move that front foot slightly off to the side, drop your knee if needed, and let your hips melt down, coming onto your forearms. We're going to take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. And we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to transition into thread the needle pose. So from a tabletop position, we're going to slide our right arm under our left to twist. Your left arm could be extended in front of you or wrapped behind you. And we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute. And we're going to switch to our left side. We're going to transition into a seated position with our legs crossed or with one leg extended in front of us to come into Cow-Facing Arm Pose. We're going to extend one arm and bend at the elbow. The other arm is going to reach behind and below to the clasp of the hands, or you're able to use a yoga strap. We're going to lift our chest and slowly deep breathe in. And we're going to exhale out of our mouth, releasing all of the tension in our shoulders. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to transition into revolved head-to-knee pose. So with one leg extended, the other foot should be at the inner thigh. We're going to reach the opposite arm overhead, twisting our torso towards the extended leg. We're going to catch one foot, if possible, through our open chest. And we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to transition into bounce extended side angle. So from warrior 2, we're going to clasp our hands under our thigh, almost in an upside down clapping position. You want to make sure that your chest is nice and tall at the top, and you take a deep breath in and exhale out. And we're going to switch sides. And lastly, we're going to transition into our compass pose. So from a seated position, we're going to bend our right knee, bringing our foot near our hip. We're going to hold that right foot with our left hand and thread our right arm under our right leg. And we're going to straighten our leg as much as possible and twist. And through our spine, we're going to breathe deeply, inhaling in and exhaling out. And now we're just going to hold this pose. And we're going to switch sides. Now we're going to transition back into a seated position. We're going to take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. At this time, I want you to thank yourself for showing up to this practice. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.